Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing an image with clear subject-background separation, because Magic Eraser works faster when edges are distinct. Once uploaded to Canva, click the image to select it and open Edit Image. This ensures you modify the right layer. Make sure to use a larger resolution file when possible, since detail retention matters. Now click Effects and locate Magic Eraser so you can begin marking areas to remove. This first step gets you into the tool and ready to refine. You now refine removals by adjusting brush size and hardness. Smaller, harder brushes keep edges crisp while softer brushes blend transitions. Paint over the unwanted elements slowly and watch Canva preview the removed area. If you overshoot, use the Restore brush or Undo to bring pixels back. Once done, toggle between zoom levels to check hairlines and complex outlines, because careful, incremental strokes prevent halo artifacts and preserve natural edges for a cleaner composite. Finish by scanning the whole image for small gaps and using Restore to recover any lost details. This preserves facial features and textures you want to keep. If holes remain, duplicate the layer and mask, or add a background layer to fill seams, because cloning and background fills solve missing pixels. Export as PNG with transparency if you need compositing. If things go wrong, clear the effect and retry with smaller strokes. The tool is non-destructive, so you can iterate until it looks right.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.